Hi, this is Mark. These are 10 very short conversations. Would you like some? Yes, please. What are you doing? I'm fixing a flat tire. I'm looking for the bus stop. Sorry, I'm not sure where it is. Here is your cupcake. But I ordered a pie. It's cold today. I know, I'm freezing. Ladies first. You're such a gentleman. Fill it up, please. Sure, you got it. This is delicious. I'm glad that you like it. Lovely evening, isn't it? It sure is. Goodbye. I'm going to miss you. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. Support me there so I can support you here. Okay. Thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.